Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. Now I'm standing on the canal, but beside me this is the huge land of Paddy. And this video I am going to show you how much the Paddy has been grown. But if you really want to show this properly, I have to go to that side. So I want to go the right place to show you the more. Okay. First of all, I want to tell you many video I have already made about this Paddy field, and from start to end I will do this. And from this video I have one playlist about this paddy field. You will get to know about the paddy fields. This is the one corner of our field. You are seeing that the paddy fields is looks like a green and everything is beautiful. If I see you more, you will see that, like, if you're a farmer you have a good knowledge about paddy fields, or if you're not farmer you have not good knowledge. But I want to show, I will talk to more about these paddy fields. These paddy fields age is around 1 month. Still it takes at least 1.5 months to for harvesting, otherwise it is very hard. I also added something more. Paddy fields is one of the crop which demands huge water. Still in front of me there is a little bit man-made canal, because still the water is going to the different kind of paddy fields because it's needs. And if you look behind me you will see the huge land is available, because 100% lands is full of the paddy fields. The owner of these fields is still are growing this paddy, because the Bengali first demand it to rice. The rice is one of the beautiful and most demandable crops and food for us. And rice comes from paddy, and paddy comes from different kind of seeds. So paddy seeds. So hope this video must help you. Just surroundings, come here and practice with me, and you will get a good result from every video. If I show you more, this is one of the homestays. It's not my topic today. My topic today is about the paddy field. So how is looking at everything and how is feeling everything to you now. But paddy fields undergoes, there is a water canal that makes the paddy fields super to look observe. It is getting gorgeous day by day because it's around the spring season right now. And when the full spring season observe and arisal all over the nature, it looks like small. Still it's sunny day, but it's also cold day, because cold air is comes from the different kind of side. For this reason it is very hard. It is very very fine. Yes. Okay, behind me you are seeing my uncle. Okay, he's sitting far 100 feet, because he always comes here to learn English and to practice to make video like me, etc. He wants to do this. So how is your feeling about this paddy fields? Do you practice with me like this way, and to start your conversation this time, this place, whatever you are living? I think you are living in village. This is a perfect for you to talk about paddy, to talk everything, because paddy is one of the super things, and nature is also must thing. So everyone should learn from nature. Nature is our best teachers. So if you really want to learn English, if you really live in nature, if you really in village, come to nature, come to field and practice English like this way. So which is the situation in your district? How much the growth your paddy field? Must comment in the comment box, and I will contact with you to know something more about this. Okay, so I think this is my nearest field paddy system. It's growing around like a medium size. It takes more over 1 month to become full field, or to become more advanced, and to for harvesting also. So this is the last point of my video. I hope from this video you have learned many things to describe the paddy fields. And my uncle is waiting for me. I have to go to him to practice in English. I will make a more video about him and about these paddy fields, and I continue do this till my life, and I will help everyone to practice like this way. I hope every video my every subscriber learns many things. And please use your time, use your moment, and try to speak at least 1 hour every day. Inshallah one day you can be success, and you can exactly you can practice with me and you can speak like a native speaker. I hope from this video you have mastered many things and this video must help you to practice more. Of course, start now. See you next day, next time, next moment. Assalamu alaikum for that time.